Decked in classic white on red war paint, this awesome A-body is the product of an extensive ground-up restoration that fostered a return to factory glory and then some. Looking to own one of the world's most sought-after muscle cars? This show-stopping Chevelle is fully sorted and ready to please. The beneficiary of a rotisserie restoration, this awesome Chevelle presently rolls in better than new condition. Naturally, that detailed reboot began with a fully stripped body. That massaged profile was resprayed in brilliant Cranberry Red 2-stage, which looks especially dynamic under a bright white top and classic white Supersport stripes. All expected Supersport trim is present and accounted for, from the pinned Cowl Induction Hood to the black bumper inlay. Open the doors and you'll find a classy Parchment interior. That fully restored cockpit is centered on fresh bucket seats. A crack-free dash hangs optional Deluxe gauges next to a retro FM radio. Fade-free carpet floats monochromatic mats around a factory console and a traditional Hurst shifter. And the driver turns a reproduction Chevrolet rally wheel on a tilting column. Pushing 375 horsepower straight from the factory, the ferocious turbojet V8 is clean, classic, and ready to rumble. That engine funnels power to a tough Muncie M21 4-speed, which spins a familiar 12-bolt axle that's finished with posi-traction and 373 gears. At roughly half the cost and twice the fun of a numbers-matching LS6, this killer Chevelle is the total package. With a powerful big block, a tough Muncie, and a first-class restoration, it's a fully sorted classic that virtually spells the term bragging rights. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.